On the stunning facade of the Optical Glass House, a translucent curtain of 6,000 optical glass blocks transforms urban chaos into silence. This glass wall is not just a technical or aesthetic feature. It creates a chamber between the street and the interior, a raised garden that acts as an acoustic and visual buffer. The house sits near a busy intersection in Hiroshima, with constant traffic and trams, but none of that is heard inside. The sound is blocked by the density of the glass blocks, and the movement of the city becomes a silent image filtered through the garden's trees. All main areas of the house face this green space: the living room on the first floor, the bedrooms above, and the flexible use rooms on the ground level. The transparency of the facade allows morning light to pass through the garden and project shifting patterns onto the floors, walls, and leaves, especially the maple, ash, and holly trees. At the entrance, a skylight above the vestibule acts like a suspended reflecting pool. When it rains, the impact of the drops on the water's surface creates moving patterns of light on the floor. Measuring 8.6 by 8.6 meters, this facade weighs 13 tons and was built using solid borosilicate blocks, each cast with high-precision techniques. Even with slow cooling to remove internal stresses, the blocks retained micro-level surface imperfections, and it's precisely those irregularities that create the mesmerizing visual effects inside the house. Each block was pierced and threaded onto 75 stainless steel rods, suspended from a pre-tension beam above. To resist lateral forces, thin flat steel bars were embedded every 10 centimeters between the blocks, without affecting transparency. The result is an almost invisible structure, with joints of just 6 millimeters, making the entire facade feel like a solid waterfall of light, reflecting, refracting, and dissolving the boundary between inside and out. A lightweight, semi-transparent metal curtain shields the living room, folding like fabric in the wind. This super lightweight curtain of sputter-coated metal, a type of fine metallic deposition, acts as a second visual filter, light, flexible, and almost like a metallic fabric that moves with the breeze. It's not a conventional fabric curtain, but rather a layer of visual and solar protection that folds and shifts. The open living room is only divided from the garden by this light metal curtain. A second glass block wall at the back of the room lines the edge of a central staircase. The house is arranged over 3 levels. The social areas, living, dining, and kitchen, are located on the middle floor. The material palette is restrained: light wood, gray stone, metal, and glass. Every surface reflects the intention to create a calm and contemplative shelter right in the heart of the city. Silence prevails. Everything seems to hold and amplify only what matters: light, shadow, and time. The staircase also receives natural light filtered through this second layer of glass. Because the side walls have no windows, due to the proximity of neighboring buildings, the front and rear courtyards bring in light and enable cross-ventilation. The bedrooms occupy the upper volume, all facing the front garden. The vertical organization of the house is simple and efficient. On the ground floor, there's a traditional Japanese room called a washitsu, along with an extra room and a hobby space. The Optical Glass House is both a technical and poetic achievement. A precise piece of architecture that turns the city's noise into a silent visual spectacle, bringing back a certain softness to daily life that the urban rush often erases.